how to turn off low data mode on Wi-Fi. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi network just like this, and what you see is low data mode on the Wi-Fi, that means this is going to stop all background activities on your iPhone like photo syncing, app update, and then the rest of them. So basically here, I'm going to show you how you can disable this on your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and then subscribe for future videos just like this. Now, to disable or turn off low data mode on Wi-Fi on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, go ahead and open the Wi-Fi you're connected to or the Wi-Fi option on your phone. Then on the Wi-Fi option, you're going to see low data mode. Now go ahead and click on the information icon on the Wi-Fi page. So this is going to be particular about the Wi-Fi you're connected to, not all Wi-Fi. So this is particularly about the Wi-Fi your iPhone is currently connected to. So if you want to turn off low data mode on all Wi-Fi connections on your iPhone, you may need to repeat this on all the Wi-Fi you've turned on low data mode on previously. So go ahead and click on the information icon. Once you hit that, under the Wi-Fi name, locate low data mode, then you should see the low data mode turned on. Then go ahead and disable this. Once you disable that, then if you hit the power button, you should see the low data mode disappeared on the Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off low data mode on Wi-Fi on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.